Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about something on data structure and why it is important and what are the types of data structure and the use case along with it. So, without wasting any time, we can just get into the video to understand more about it. Data structure. Yeah, data structure is a way of organizing and storing a data in a computer so that it can be accessed and used efficiently. It provides a systematic way of organizing and managing a data so that it can be searched, inserted, deleted easily. Data structure are used in a computer programming to help solve the problem and improve the efficiency of the algorithm. Some common example of data structure are arrays, linked list, stack, queue, trees, graph, and hash table. By selecting an appropriate data structure, programmer can optimize their code to ensure that it runs faster and use very less memory. And we talk about something about why it is important: efficient data access, memory management, code reusability, scalability, simplicity. So we can go deep dive one by one. A well designed data structure allows data to be accessed quickly and efficiently, which can improve the performance of an algorithm and reduce the time it takes to execute. Two is all about the memory management. Data structure can help memory manage memory usage by allocating and deallocating as needed. This can reduce the risk of memory leaks, optimize the memory usage. Code reusability talks about the data structure can make code more popular. Sorry, it's all modular, easier to reuse. So this can save time and effort when developing a new program, modifying the existing one. Scalability: as the size of data set grows, the performance of an algorithm can get degraded. If data is not properly organized, data structure can help manage a large amount of data and maintain the performance as the data set grows. 5, it talks about the simplicity. Using a data structure can simplify the programming process by providing a clear and organized way to store the manage data. This can make code easier to understand and debug the maintain. So next we will talk about different types and what are all the use cases along with that. So first one, which is talking about arrays. Arrays is a collection of similar data item stored in a contiguous memory location. For example, array of integer can get stored in a list of number like 1, 2, 3, 4 with open braces and close curly braces. Linked list. A linked list is a collection of node where each node contains a data and a reference to the next node in the list. For example, linked list can store a list of names like Alice, Bob, Charles, Vicky, all the names that you want. You can put it into that particular linked list. Stack. Stack is a collection of element where element are added and removed from one end and called the top. For example, stack can be used to implement the undo function in a text editor. Queues. Queues is a collection of elements where elements are added at one end called rear end, removed at another end called front. For example, queue can be used to simulate a line of people waiting for a movie ticket. Trees. Tree is a hierarchical data structure that consists of node connected by the edge. For example, a family tree can be represented as a tree where each node represent a family member and each edge represent a parent-child relationship. Graph. Graph is a collection of nodes connected by edges. For example, a social network can be implemented as a graph where each node represents a user, each edge represents a friendship relationship. Hash table is a data structure that stores key value pair. This is quite popular, where each key is mapped to a unique index in an array using a hash function. For example, a dictionary can be implemented using a hash table, where each word is a key and it's defined, and the definition it's is the corresponding value. Okay, that's all I have, guys. I hope you might have enjoyed today's video. We'll see you on the another video. Thank you so much. Have fun. Bye bye.